Arvind Kejriwal's prescription details has been accessed. India Today accesses Arvind Kejriwal's prescription details where he seeks permission for insulin to be provided in jail. Kejriwal's response to ED's claims. ED claims that Arvind Kejriwal has been eating all sorts of sugar-inducing foods, basically mangoes and sugar in his tea, anything to basically get his blood sugar levels up and his blood pressure up. It appears he is severely diabetic, and despite knowing his own health situation, Arvind Kejriwal has been insisting on eating mangoes, adding sugar to his tea, and eating high-calorie foods that would really raise his blood sugar levels. Out of the 48 times, the meals that were sent from home, only 3 times mangoes were allegedly sent. This is what the responses come from. Arvind Kejriwal's counsel, his lawyers there, claiming that these allegations made by the Enforcement Directorate are false, healthy food being sent for him from his house itself, and out of the number of times, nearly 48 times that food has come from home, only 3 times mangoes were served to him. No mangoes sent after 8th of April. That's what his lawyers say. His glycemic index of mangoes at 51 is even lower than white rice at 73 or brown rice at 68, basically justifying that mangoes does not really add to sugar levels. Now, he claims that the ED had accused Arvind Kejriwal has been deliberately eating all sorts of sugary, sweet stuff, only so that he can influence the court and get his bail plea approved. This is, of course, going at this point. Arvind Kejriwal is in prison as investigation continues by the ED on the Delhi liquor policy case. But for the moment, we hear that he's been attempting to get bail based on his health condition, claiming that his health and more importantly his blood sugar levels has been heavily fluctuating ever since he was taken into custody, that he's not well, he needs home care, needs to be at home, taking rest, eating better food. Atishi speaks of the Aam Aadmi Party with this regard. Listen in.
अपने शुगर लेवल को कंट्रोल में रखने के लिए अरविंद केजरीवाल जी रोज 54 यूनिट 54 यूनिट्स इंसुलिन के लेते हैं। कोर्ट ने भी अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को घर का खाना अलाउ किया, डॉक्टर द्वारा प्रिस्क्राइब्ड खाना अलाउ किया। लेकिन आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी अपने अनुषांगिक संगठन ईडी के माध्यम से अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के स्वास्थ्य को बिगाड़ने की कोशिश कर रही है, उनका घर का खाना रोकने की कोशिश कर रही है।
All right, let me quickly cut across to Nalini Sharma joining us live from the newsroom, who's tracking court's developments. Nalini, give us more on what we know of Arvind Kejriwal's response to the ED allegations claiming that he is deliberately eating sugary, high-calorie foods to increase his blood sugar levels. He says mangoes have a lesser, glycemic index in compared to white rice and brown rice, that it's indeed allowed in a diet chart of a person with diabetes, that there's no harm in eating mangoes. More or less a response coming in. Give us more on the details of Kejriwal's response to the ED's claims.
Well, the hearing currently is underway before Rouse Avenue Court, and our colleague Shrishti Oja is getting us these updates. Essentially, what Kejriwal's lawyers have claimed before the court is that despite being a diabetic patient, he has not got insulin administered since the time that he was arrested, and the ED has not given him insulin, which is something that he's been getting regularly for the past 22 years since he's been suffering from diabetes. Keeping that in mind, Kejriwal's counsel has argued that is the reason why his blood sugar has spiked up, which is why on the basis of that, they're asking for VC consultation with his lawyer, and they're also asking for his wife to be allowed to be present during the time that he's consulting with his lawyer. On the other side, the ED is claiming that Arvind Kejriwal is not sticking to the diet chart that has been submitted before the court, and that he is getting food from home that are high in sugar content, and that he is eating that just to establish grounds to go ahead and seek medical bail. But at the same time, Kejriwal's counsel has made it extremely clear that he is not asked for any concession or bail on medical grounds so far. he's only been getting all of these sweets in limited content, and also mangoes and all of these sweets that were given were only provided a very few times, keeping in mind that the sweets that he got were in fact sugar-free sweets, and they did not have sugar in them at all. But what the court is looking at is as to whether or not the diet chart that has been submitted by the court is being followed by Arvind Kejriwal or not. And prima facie, the court has observed that there seems to be some discrepancies between what Arvind Kejriwal is eating versus the diet chart that the court has in front of them. The arguments are still underway. It remains to be seen what the court decides at the end of the day, whether or not Kejriwal will get the chance to consult his lawyer through video conference, his doctor, I beg your pardon, through video conferencing or not, because the ED on the other side has claimed that even his previous meetings with the lawyers were misused, and there is an apprehension that if Kejriwal is allowed this, he might misuse it for any other purposes except for only purely medical advice that he should get from his doctor.
Right. Nalini, thanks very much for joining us. Arvind Kejriwal, at this point, Kejriwal has been allowed to be administered insulin in jail itself. While the matter is currently heard in court, trouble there continues to mount on the Delhi Chief Minister. ED has now accused Arvind Kejriwal of deliberately consuming sweets and other high-calorie foods only to get medical bail approved in the excise policy case. The central agency has accused Kejriwal of deliberately consuming food that's high in sugar as a bid to bail on medical grounds. This has really triggered a massive war of words now between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. Here's a look at this detailed report.
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, arrested in the alleged excise scam, is allegedly eating food with high sugar content. Mangoes and sweets allegedly a regular feature of Kejriwal's daily diet, despite him having type 2 diabetes. These are the sensational claims made by the Enforcement Directorate. The ED on Thursday told a Delhi court that the Chief Minister is binging on sweets and food high on glycemic index to increase his sugar levels and create grounds for medical bail or a transfer to a hospital. The court is hearing Kejriwal's plea for doctor consultation. The probe agency further said that doctors were posted in jail round the clock and Kejriwal's blood sugar levels were being measured twice a day. Citing Kejriwal's medical report, the ED said the Delhi Chief Minister's blood sugar level was 139 milligram deciliter on April 1st, the day he was brought to Tihar jail. The ED said it was recorded at 276 milligram deciliter on April 14 morning. Kejriwal's lawyer rejected the charge.
Before the court, he is only eating what has been prescribed by the doctors, and this is an issue made by ED so that this home cooked food also should be stopped. This concerns the health. We are very concerned, and whatever he is taking is as per the doctor's prescription.
The ED's sensational claims fueled a war of words between AAP and BJP. AAP claimed that he was being denied insulin in custody, posing danger to his health.
कोर्ट ने भी अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को घर का खाना अलाउ किया, डॉक्टर द्वारा प्रिस्क्राइब्ड खाना अलाउ किया। लेकिन आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी अपने अनुषांगिक संगठन ईडी के माध्यम से अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के स्वास्थ्य को बिगाड़ने की कोशिश कर रही है, उनका घर का खाना रोकने की कोशिश कर रही है।
केजरीवाल जी जेल में जानबूझकर मीठी चीजें खा रहे हैं, आम खा रहे हैं, तली चीजें खा रहे हैं। वो ऐसा इसलिए कर रहे थे ताकि उनकी शुगर लेवल बढ़ जाए और इस तरह से करके मैनिपुलेट करके वो जेल से बाहर आए। अरविंद केजरीवाल एक सिटिंग चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं और अपने आप को ईमानदार बताते हैं, लेकिन इस हद तक क्रिमिनल माइंडेड हैं कि जेल से बाहर निकलने के लिए ऐसे वो घोटाले कर रहे हैं।
The court has sought Kejriwal's prescribed diet to match with the food he is consuming in jail. It will take up the matter on Friday. Bureau Report, India Today.